Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi 17 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll and find the option privacy protection. Then let's tap on special permissions and tap on install unknown apps. So right here we've got the apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. So just find the app that you'd like to allow to install some apps and tap on it. So I'll pick Chrome and then tap on this switcher here. So right here we've got the warning that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because third-party apps aren't verified by the developer. So you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. You need to mark the statement that you're aware of the possible risks and tap on OK. And now after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is now allowed to install some content. And of course, if you want to, you can always turn it off. So remove previously granted permissions, just tap on the app and tap on the switcher right here. All right, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.